Welcome to the world of ABC trainings. AutoCAD Civil and Architectural. We offer a wide range of training programs designed to help you master AutoCAD for civil engineers and architects. We offer training in AutoCAD Civil and Architectural, in certificate, diploma, master diploma and PG diploma courses. Our programs cover all aspects of AutoCAD for civil engineers and architects, empowering you with the skills needed for precise design, modeling, and documentation in the field. Here are some of the key features you'll explore in our courses. Fundamentals of AutoCAD Interface for Architecture. 2D and 3D Architectural Design. Annotations, detailing, and adherence to standards. Collaboration, referencing, and project management. Presentation and visualization techniques for architecture. Enroll in the AutoCAD Civil and Architectural course of your choice today and unlock the full potential of this powerful design software. For more information and to enroll, visit our website at www.abctrainings.in.